Is your BMW 1 Series alarm randomly going off? It's a common issue, especially in older models. The most frequent culprits are the bonnet switch, the interior motion sensor, and a weak battery. We'll focus on diagnosing and fixing these three components. First, the bonnet switch can fail due to dirt, misalignment, or corrosion. The interior motion sensor detects vibrations and can be hypersensitive to wind or movements. A weak battery below 12.4 volts can cause erratic alarm behavior. Software updates through BMW's iDrive version 8.0 Plus on 2025 models have helped reduce false alarms by improving sensor calibration. However, if your car is pre-2019, these manual checks are essential. A diagnostic scan using a tool like BMW's ISTA can also help pinpoint the exact problem with error codes. Let's get to the fixes. Start with the bonnet switch. Open the hood and inspect the switch near the latch. Clean any corrosion or dirt with WD-40 and ensure it's properly aligned. Next, for the interior sensor, try recalibrating it using your key fob. The specific sequence varies by model, so check your owner's manual or search online for your model's reset procedure. Finally, check your battery voltage with a multimeter. It should be above 12.4 volts. If it's lower, consider charging or replacing the battery, especially if it's over 5 years old. Remember, according to experts, 80% of issues are sensor-related and preventable with annual inspections, so proactive maintenance is key. If the problem persists, consult a professional to avoid voiding warranties.